No phone, no cables, no interruptions, just fly. Can we get a one-handed takeoff? I don't know. Let's find out.
Takeoff.
This Potensic PTD-1 controller with a built-in screen might just change the way you fly. Wow! You don't have to fiddle with your phone, fit it between the controller anymore, fiddling with cables, worrying about getting phone calls, emails, messages coming to your phone. Those days are gone. Overheating? Thing of the past. It's got a heat sink, baby. Heat sink, there's no overheating here. Screen dimming? You don't have to worry about that. You've got a bright screen that you can see. Oh, let's not talk about app crashing. I mean, who is this for, right? Anyone who wants a faster, cleaner, smoother, brighter flying experience. Bottom line. Viewing angles are pretty good. I can see decently clear, excellent at this. Of course, perfect looking at it dead on, and a good angle at the side. So the viewing angles are very, very good. Look, we're talking 700 nits of brightness. I'm standing in the direct sunlight, like the sun is right up here. The sun is right there beaming down at me, and I can see crystal clear. We've got 1080p resolution between the drone and the controller. So that is real high quality video that gives you a beautiful, beautiful feed back to your controller, as you can see in the screen recording. 120 milliseconds of latency, which is very, very good for GPS cinematography drones. Very good latency. And this controller does not miss a beat. Like, the signal is real good. The touchscreen is very responsive. As you can see right now, everything you touch basically works fast. Of course, you've got tap for exposure. So you can tap and adjust your exposure up, down. Very, very convenient. You have your settings here as normal, where you can just set your exposure and forget it in auto mode. You put one finger here, the other finger here. Oh gosh, it's like it's built just with ergonomics in mind. You can even put these two fingers up here, rest them so they're at your fingertips, or you can toggle between any finger and the wheel, and you've got a nice place here, nice little notch out on both sides where you can rest your fingers so your hands actually stay perfectly aligned on this controller. It's like you're one with the controller. Just feels so good. This one has been strategically designed to keep the sticks away from the screen, so your fingers never ever block part of the screen, and you can see all your telemetry, your maps, and everything at the top left and the top right without being obstructed. Literally everything at your fingertips. The sticks come off nice and easy. You just screw them off and they fit right in the back here, nice and neat. You have two wheels up here, your left wheel, which brings the gimbal up and down, nice and easy. And you got the other wheel here, which does zoom. If you need some zoom in your life, this wheel does the zooming. So really nice. You got full function custom buttons up here. You have here for photos, here for video. Here's customizable, and it comes set to look down and then to look up. That's the C1, and the C2 button is for your speed controls. Look how easy the antennas fold away. Nice, and look how thin this is. This will fit nice and snug inside of your bag. Nice and portable, and only weighs about 450 grams I average. Stand your tripod up, screw it in, and you can have it resting on a tripod if you like. Or, you know, use it with the little adapters and put the string around your neck. And whatever suits you. You got options in your life. 4-20 is the way to go. Definitely is. Universal. I like it. I'm screen recording. You can customize the C1 button. What happens when you press it once, when you double press it. C1 and the left dial. So there's combination buttons as well, which is really cool. C2 button, if I press it, will switch between video mode, normal mode, and sports mode, which is basically your speed. And then the C2 button with the left dial adjusts my white balance, and the C2 button on the right dial adjusts my exposure. So fully customizable. You've got your telemetry at the top, which I really like. I often don't like looking at the bottom for my telemetry, and recently added to the Potensic Atom 2, in case you didn't know, is the gimbal roll feature, which you saw in the opening of this video, which you just click on it, you set the distance, you tell it which direction you want it to roll, and basically it does the gimbal roll automatically for you. You also got panos, you got slow motion, you've got photo mode as well, which has 8K photos, bracketing, so you can get bracketing, timed photos, burst photos. It's insane. You've got vertical panos, 180 panos, spherical panos, wide angle panos. You got the whole pano suite in your life. So you not only get a good controller, but you get a drone that has a lot of good features at a really affordable price. This little white circle at the top over here, you just snap it while you're recording, boom, and you can take photos while you're recording. So that's pretty cool. Or you can just tap the shutter button at the top here manually. Both work. Also, really nice features that were added is HDR and PLOG. Now you can get some log footage in your life. So not only are you flying with this new sophisticated controller, but it pairs with a drone that has, well, log built into it. So that's a really important feature, and this is a really good package that you can get started with. As you can see on the screen here, you can also select between H.264 and H.265 codec. Scroll a little bit down and you can see that definition and saturation slider that you can adjust. Definition is kind of like sharpness if your image is over sharpened, and saturation if your image is just a little too punchy, you have more control over it. So great controller paired with a great drone that has really good features, I must say. Did you know this controller is also rated to go 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles? That's pretty far. I would say the signal is strong, it's reliable, and it will get you the shot. This bad boy is also equipped with a 6400 milliampere battery, and that equals up to 3 hours of flight time, Potensic says. It also has 27 watt fast charging built in, and that means it can charge from 0 to 100 in approximately an hour and a half. That's not bad at all. It's USB-C right at the bottom here, so you can just plug right in and keep this thing topped up all the time with an external power bank. And also here you've got an SD card for your storage, and internally it has 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. So it's beefed up. Right now, this controller seems to be only compatible with the Potensic Atom 2, but you can see how they have it set up in my devices. It looks like they may be, I don't know, more cooler drones to come. I don't know, but time will tell. Also, if you got one of these laying around, the screen dimensions and size is the exact same as on this new built-in controller. So basically any screen accessories for this will also fit this. I did not see any compatibility with third-party applications built in here, so that's something to be mindful of. Maybe it'll come in the future, or maybe I just not looking properly, I don't know, but I don't see any third-party capabilities for applications, and I don't see any HDMI ports on this as well. So just be mindful of that. The other thing to be aware of, and it's not really a controller thing, it's more like a drone thing. I don't see any ND filters available for this drone as of yet, so that's kind of a bummer, being that this drone actually shoots in log. Having ND filters to shoot with log color profile would be a huge win. Now let's talk pricing. This controller by itself, controller only, is $279.99, and I think that is a phenomenal price, under $300. So if you have an Atom 2 already, this is a great upgrade to pair with your Atom 2 drone. And if you don't have an Atom drone, or you have the Atom 1 and you're thinking about getting the Atom 2, now may be the best time at $479.99 for the combo of the drone and the controller together. And the Fly More combo, which gives you 3 batteries, the parallel charger that charges all 3 batteries at the same time. That's the combination that I have with this really, really cool pouch with this new twin zip and magnetic holder that you can put everything, including the new controller in there. Pretty much the Fly More kit with this new bag design all comes in at a whopping $599. And I think that's a great price for this entire package. So is the built-in screen worth the upgrade? Absolutely. I think it's a no-brainer, especially at this price. All right, that sums it up for this video. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notified when I release more videos. If you are looking for log footage for your Potensic Atom or any other drone that shoots log footage, head over to www.dronexfactor.com. I've got a wonderful pack of 40 plus LUTs there for you. You are bound to find a LUT that gets your color grading off to the right start. And it's a great way to support this channel. And while you're there, grab yourself a t-shirt. I've got some great drone t-shirts there, and e-bike and e-scooter t-shirts as well. So pick up some merch and help to support this content. If you've got questions to ask me, definitely hit me up in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer them. In case you can't get me in the comment section below, or you want a guaranteed way to reach me, think about becoming a patron. It's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year, and it gives you a great discount on my LUTs that you'll find at www.dronexfactor.com. And it's a great way to support the channel as well. When you become a patron, you can send me a text message there. It comes straight to my phone, and I can definitely get access to you, and you will have direct access to me. So come join the community with all my other Patreons. With that being said, if you want to know how to color grade, log footage, and apply LUTs, check out this video up here. And if you want to see the original review of the Potensic Atom 2, check out this video right here. With that being said, guys, I will catch you, well, whenever I can.